Hello everyone, I have with me Mr. Sanjeev Kumar sir, Business Head Aviation BPCL. We welcome you sir at the India Energy Week 2025. So my question from you is that what role do you envision Bharat Petroleum is playing in the transformation of India's aviation fuel supply chain in the coming decade?
It's a very good question you have asked. In fact, if you see that today, the India is growing very heavily in the aviation sector, especially for the two reasons. One is a strong GDP, another is that growing population of India. So that's why you'll find that all over in the airports there is quite a good of rush, quite a good number of passengers who are going and going again and again. If we see today in India, we are almost third largest sector, especially in aviation sector, third largest, and we are able to keep all these volume the way in the coming periods. So we are looking at a very good position in the coming days because ATF is going to be more than double-digit growth. It is going to give a more and more volume and more competition, because if you see in the India, as of now around 740 aircrafts are there, and more than 1200 aircrafts are also under the purchase order. That is going to be the major game changer across the country, and we are expecting that next 10 years at least double-digit growth will be there. Thank you.
Wow, sir, that's such a trailblazing innovations we are doing in the aviation sector. Now, with the growing demand for the aviation fuel in India, how is Bharat Petroleum preparing to meet this demand in terms of infrastructure and supply capacity?
Yes, in BPCL, actually we are looking at totally integration right from the starting from the depot and installation going up to the into plane from the aircrafts. So there is a different segments. One is the installations. So in installations, we are augmenting the new facilities, new tankages. Then most of the major airports, which we say today the open access airports, these are connected with the pipelines, because such a huge volume which goes to the aircrafts has to be through pipeline. So we have connected most of the new airports, even the new airport which are coming, Navi Mumbai airport as well as Jewar airport, they are also coming from the pipeline. We have also coming the pipeline to Malkapur to Hyderabad. So you can think of the infrastructure on the back end, which is coming from the tankages, pipelines, that is also working. One. Number two, to meet this demand, which is growing almost 10% every year, we have under Project Aspire, we have targeted minimum 100 AFS to come.
100 AFS.
100 AFS to come, as of now 82. So we are looking under RCS scheme, which is government is also looking to increase more and more airports and AFS fueling facility across the country, and we are working for that. And in the supply chain, we are ensuring whatever growth is going to come, we are able to meet it.
Wow.